Hello. Today we'll set up a
모임,
gathering with several people. First we have to match everyone's times. 3 keys.
약속을 잡다,
Set up an appointment.
시간 조율,
Coordinate times.
모임,
A gathering. With more people every.
일정,
Schedule differs. Like that rippling flower field. Each is free at a different time. So you need
조율,
coordination. Fitting different schedules into one. Noun.
조율,
Verb.
조율하다,
Simple order. Suggest, coordinate, confirm. Last times.
할 계획이에요.
I plan to becomes today's.
약속을 잡다,
Now the words 7 today and every one of them serves a single.
모임,
Gathering.
약속,
Appointment is a noun what you agree to do.
약속이 있어요. 약속을 지켜요.
Repeat after me.
약속을 잡다,
Means to set the appointment.
잡다.
Is the verb.
친구와 저녁 약속을 잡았어요.
Repeat after me.
시간 조율.
Means settling a time that fits everyone.
다 같이 시간 조율이 필요해요.
Repeat after me.
모임.
Gathering is people coming together.
금요일에 동아리 모임이 있어요.
Repeat after me.
회식.
Company dinner is coworkers eating together.
다음 주에 회식이 있어요.
Repeat after me.
장소.
Place is where you meet.
장소를 정해요. 장소가 어디예요?
Easy to find is best. Repeat after me.
시간 정하다.
To decide the time settles what hour you meet. Set the time and the place follows. Repeat after me. Now let's do.
시간 조율.
Coordinating times allowed. Like that coaster, the talk moves in order: ask, answer, decide. Start with a question.
언제가 괜찮으세요?
When works for you? It asks their easy time first. Repeat after me. To ask gently add.
혹시.
By any chance in front it's an adverb.
혹시 토요일 오후에 괜찮으세요? 조율.
Coordination is never rushed. Like that panda chewing bamboo slowly, ask one person at a time. Ask each person there.
가능한 시간.
Available time. By phone or message.
가능한 시간을 알려주세요.
If your time is open, answer.
언제든 괜찮아요.
Anytime works.
언제든.
Is an adverb. Repeat after me. For a day that won't work, soften it.
어려울 것 같아요.
That may be hard beats a flat no. Repeat after me. Refusing a loan stalls things.
어떠세요?
How about it? Ask their opinion politely.
일요일 오전은 어떠세요?
The time is set now. The
장소.
place. Easy to spot like that carousel, easy for anyone to find. At.
에서 만나요?
Let's meet at, after the place.
카페에서 만나요? 역에서 만나요?
Repeat after me. Name an easy landmark.
정문 앞에서 만나요?
Meet in front of the main gate.
앞에서.
Tells them where. To suggest use.
우리 같이 갈래요?
Shall we go together?
같이.
Is an adverb dash.
리을래요.
Softly invites. Time and place have met, so now comes
확정.
confirmation. Like that will finishing its turn, the talk closes. Once you agree, close with.
만나기로 해요.
Let's agree to meet.
기로하다.
Equals decided together. Repeat after me. One last line.
그럼 그렇게 해요.
Then let's do that signals it's locked. At.
미리 예약해 둘게요.
I'll book ahead. Now for real. On this parade route, here 3 people set up a
모임.
gathering from start to finish. First someone asks,
모임 어때요?
how about a meetup? Answer,
좋아요. 시간 조율해서 약속을 잡아요.
second,
언제가 괜찮으세요?
one is free Saturday morning, the other only evening, so move to Sunday afternoon. Third, the time is set, so pick the place.
정문 앞에서 만나요?
And the reply,
그럼 그렇게 해요.
done. Your turn. Ask politely, give your
가능한 시간.
available time, soften the days that fail, then confirm. Korea has
회식.
company dinner, coworkers sharing a meal. The date is usually coordinated in a group chat. Etiquette. Don't just refuse, offer one time that works. Now fill the blanks with
시간 조율.
and
약속을 잡다.
recap.
약속을 잡다. 시간 조율. 모임.
Last lesson's travel plans video makes it even easier. See you next time.